Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, Julie, it's basically my YouTube channel. Today we're going to give you my reading area room tour. Yay! Yay! I'm so excited because I have so many things here. Well, I mean, just a bunch of notes from your mom from the lunchbox and posters and a vanity which has no makeup on it. Julie, I have some makeup on it. Anyways, yeah, so let's just get on with the tour. How did you get over there so fast? Let me just get over there. IDK. What does that mean? I don't know, Julie. Wait, you don't know what IDK means? No, IDK means I don't know. Oh, okay. Let me just walk over there. Julie, why does it take you so long to walk? Don't ask me. I just like to be patient so I don't fall. Well, you're gonna fall anyway. Do you go out for taking runs? No. Well, then you need to get skinnier. I already am skinny. What are you trying to say, Haven? Nothing. Haven. Okay, so, never mind, about that. So, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go on with the tour. So, I guess, yeah, over here we have a vanity, and then we have my little bookcase with books in it, and just random stuff. Okay, so over here we have a scrunchie poster that says, "Oh snap, scrunchie." It's from it's a poster that I got at one store. And then over here's my vanity. I have money on it, a water bottle, more coins, an egg with a surprise in it. So let's open up the egg. Guess what's inside this egg? It's a surprise. You cannot find out. It's a Snickers bar. Yep, that's what it is, a Snickers bar. Okay, and then over here we have this little pencil from my locker. And then over here we have money. And it takes me forever to open up this money because it's so hard. Okay, and getting on with the video. Here we have a little coin purse. And Julie, I think, is showing this. Or is it me? I don't know. Guess in the comments. Okay, and then over here we have some Shopkin and a present. Can I do the tour? Sure, Julie. Okay, so Julie's going to show you the bookcase. Okay, guys. So over here we have a little dinosaur squishy and shark squishy. And then, yeah, there's a shark squishy. Just get a quick close-up at it. Over here we have a Starbursts. Haven's obsessed with candy. And then over here we have a nom-nom sign from the little dinosaur. And guess what's inside of that? Orange egg. I'll show them. I'll show them. Ha ha ha, it's so funny and really, and I love it. Why don't you keep it down, Julie? Okay, and here you have some lip gloss and a little essential oil. And you forgot to show them the posters. Oh, yeah. Over here we have a Da Bomb sunglasses. And then a I Love You, Sweetie XOX. And then we have just a Milo here. This is a cat, okay? It's just a big beast thing. I don't know. IDK. Oh, Julie, I get a kick out of you. Okay. And then over here, we have my little elf love mom, Julie. My little elf mom. Mom. Julie, I didn't want you to show them that. I wasn't planning on it. Oh my gosh. Julie. 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 I am going to start up a fight if you will not stop. Okay. Julie. Not want you to show them that. Julie! Julie! I'm not kidding. Julie! Okay, over here we have a tortilla blanket. It's not pronounced like that. It sounds cute, okay? It's a tortilla blanket. It's just spelled like that. And then, okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, wait, we forgot to show them the books. I'm not responsible of that. Fine, then I'll show them. Oh, gosh. Okay, guys, so we have some books over here. Okay, see? Farmer Boy, The Happy Golden Years, Little Town on the Prairie, On the Banks of Plum Creek, The Silver Shores of whatever. I don't care. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you did, bye.